Most people have never heard of Siargao, but it just dethroned Bali. This small Philippine island has quietly become the world's premier sustainable surfing destination, and by 2026, it's set to redefine what paradise actually means. While other tropical hotspots crumble under over-tourism, Siargao cracked the code on something extraordinary. Here's how a secret surf spot transformed into a global wellness hub without losing its soul. 20 years ago, Siargao was known only to hardcore surfers chasing the perfect barrel at Cloud 9. Today, it's a masterclass in scaling paradise responsibly. The island's community-led conservation efforts are revolutionary. Local groups like SEAM organize quarterly cleanups, restore mangroves, and maintain marine sanctuaries that actually work. What sets Siargao apart? Intention. Growth was guided, not accidental. Zoning kept fragile zones safe and visitor flow balanced. Eco-resorts built from bamboo, powered by sun and breeze. Farm-to-table kitchens sourced locally and seasonally. Wellness isn't a brochure here, it's sunrise breathwork over jade water. Rivers run transparent, forests hum. The island asks you to move slower. Culture stayed center stage, craft, food, festivals, and everyday kindness. And the waves? Still electric, world-class, reef true, respectfully shared. Nights glow with music and lanterns, not mega clubs but soul. Capacity limits mean space to breathe and reefs to recover. Even official travel guides highlight sustainability. Quarterly cleanups collect tons of trash and educate the next generation. After storms, design got smarter. Raised floors, rain capture, native plants. By 2026, global designers co-create resilient systems with locals. Result: growth with guardrails, a blueprint for tropical destinations, a surf island that became a wellness ecosystem. Reason 1. Living reefs protected by real enforcement and education. No-take zones and moorings keep anchors off coral. Mangroves buffer storms, store carbon, and nurse fish nurseries. Sustainability is taught early stewardship as culture. Reason 2. Clean energy and low-impact builds. Water captured, reused, and respected. Waste is sorted, composted, and upcycled. Reason 3. Tourism profits circulate locally, guides, farmers, makers. Food miles shrink, flavors bloom. Reason 4. Visitor caps and reef-safe rules protect the experience. Space remains sacred. Growth doesn't eat every shoreline. Reason 5. Wellness is nature-led, paddle, float, breathe. Surf progression with minimal footprint, reef etiquette. Small groups. At night, the island rests, soundscapes replace sound systems. Policy meets practice, zoning, carrying capacity, community councils. The result: biodiversity increases while visitor joy scales. Siargao is not just preserved, it's future-proofed. That's why it leads ecotourism's next chapter. Wellness here begins with the tide yoga, meditation, breathwork. Open-air spas use local botanicals and island oils. Contrast therapy and slow living reset the nervous system. Dining is ocean-to-table kinila, reef-friendly tuna, coconut and lime. Morning cafes hum with local beans and remote workers. Nightlife is intimate acoustic sessions, stargazing, ocean breezes. Snorkel over gardens, paddle emerald corridors, chase waterfall mist. Shugba Lagoon is a meditative mirror. Beginners to chargers, there's a wave for every dancer. Hospitality is everyday magic, salamat smiles, shared stories. Traditions thrive, woven palms, boatcraft, island flavors. Community isn't a buzzword, it's how the island breathes. Stays span homestays to eco-luxury, always light on the earth. Days end with sandy feet, salt-kissed skin, and perfect fatigue. Is it worth the visit? If you value beauty with boundaries, the answer is yes. Siargao balances high-end wellness with strict ecological preservation. It's eco-luxury without the guilt, paradise with purpose. A masterclass in scaling paradise without sacrificing its soul. Surf that sings, nature that heals, people who care. You don't just visit, you belong. Plan smart. Travel shoulder seasons. Pack reef-safe sunscreen. Respect caps. Choose small group operators. Support local guides. Leave no trace. Use official guides for up-to-date sustainability tips. Book mindful. Travel light. Give back. This is Siargao, where waves meet wisdom. Where wellness is woven into water, wind and wood. Come for the surf. Stay for the stewardship. Siargao, Philippines. The world's #1 sustainable surfing and wellness hub now and for the future. Paradise with purpose awaits.